Good afternoon. So here in that Asian Mess Hall for the preparing for that serving to our clients. Now it's around 6 o'clock. Will be to open. So now it's just serve sweet leche plan. Voila, and that is the vegetable, fresh vegetables also. Yup. And white rice for Asian. See, long grain, huh? Very long grain. See, look at that. Wow. And what is this? Fish. Fish curry. Voila. Number one. Fish curry. Wow, nice. See, very big cut. And it's very tasty. And sabji.
That's sabji.
Oh, sabji. Oh, nice with potatoes and mixed vegetables. Sabji. And also dal. Voila! It's very hot. See? It's too hot. And also our for the Filipino food, white rice. Yeah, and beef steak. See, it's the beef steak. See? Nice. Wow. It's a beef steak, cabbage, and the toast off with vermicelli, noodles, eggs. This is just our soup for the Filipino. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.